The exact same as what you would have done last week. I haven't got an LED on here, but what I do have is I've connected on a second chip here, and this is what we refer to as the driver chip, 4410 driver chip. Now the purpose of this chip is to allow us to interface the Arduino to the motors. You can't plug the motors directly into the Arduino because, just mind your arm there by the way, Shannon, that out. Oops.
Yeah.
So I plug it the right way. Very low powered electrical signals from the Arduino, and it's going to feed them on as higher current signals to the motors to actually get them turning. Let's see what the effect of this is. I suppose I'd like to just draw something on the whiteboard here for a minute. I'll help to explain this. 4410 NE, but we'll often refer to it as just driver chip, right? Driver chip. Now we'll assume that the whole circuit is powered from a battery pack. Hopefully you brought your batteries. I did say to you last week that it's your responsibility to get batteries. If you didn't bring batteries, you're probably going to need them today, so you might have to figure out with your tutor, someone will go out to the shops or something like that. But you will need batteries to get the motors turning. The circuit that you ran for the LED flash challenge took its power from the USB socket, but that's not going to work for the motors. So let's assume these are the power rails on your breadboard. So one of them will be connected back basically to the black wire of your battery pack, that's 0 volts. And one of them will be connected to the red wire of your battery pack, that's 6 volts. Now there's actually 2 pins on this chip that need to be connected to 6 volts. The pins are 8 and 16. Now it's worth mentioning, on all microchips in the type of package that this chip is in, there's a little dip up at one end, and that marks the end of the chip where pin 1 is. So basically it's pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the numbering continues up the other side. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. It's a 16 pin chip. So you'll see there's actually 8 legs on each side of it. And you'll be getting one of these later on. So it's like a little microchip. Okay, 16 legs. But the numbering is important because you need to know which pins are which here. So the 2 pins that are going to be connected to 6 volts are 8 and 16. And these wires here should be red because E4. And it's the middle 2 pins on each side, so 4 and 5 and 12 and 13. 4, 5, 12, 13. Okay, I just want to move this bit here for a second. So this is SN75441 NE. Now basically the idea with this chip is there's 4 channels. Each channel has got an input which controls an output. And there's 4 of them. So 4 input pins, 4 output pins. So the inputs are not the corner pins 10 and 15, they're all inputs.